continuing to track the tropics for you, watching Invest 96, still well away from southwest Florida, continuing to move toward the west-northwest, and right now it doesn't look like we're going to see any strengthening today as it's going to be moving over some land, but we'll continue to watch it. The latest forecast track does take it recurving back out into the Atlantic Ocean. Here at home, high pressure remains in control. That means the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere still very dry, so rainfall over the next several days going to be a little bit limited. And as we put the Vipercast into motion for you, we're starting off this morning with some very light winds. Those will continue to be light, and then we will see that sea breeze developing later on this afternoon. Looks like most of the moisture going to stay a little bit further to the south, is kind of similar to what we saw yesterday. So some showers and thunderstorms fairly isolated across southwest Florida. That means that the temperatures are going to be on the rise and quickly. Inland communities 92 to 97, hot and steamy with some afternoon storms possible. Some isolated rain later on for our harbor zones. Along our coastal communities, we are looking at the chance for some showers as well. If you have plans to head out and do some boating, winds will be southerly, turning on shore in the afternoon at about 5 knots, seas at 1 to 2 feet with just a light chop on the bay and inland waters. Few afternoon storms over the next several days, but the heat is really going to be the big story as it's going to remain very, very hot over the next several days. Rainfall chances coming back up next week. I'm Storm Patrol meteorologist Michelle Cunningham, and that's your forecast.